Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday.
Good morning! Good morning! Yeah, it's really snowy out. Come on, you wanna go look at the snow? Come on! Come on! Come on, come on! This way, come look out the window. Come on. Come this way. Come this way, come this way. It's too bright for you. So, here's what it's looking like. I charged my iPad last night. I charged my second camera battery. And we charged our phones. And I charged my laptop over here. Just in case our power goes out. So we have everything charged up. Hey, guess what? If the power goes out, you can fold all this laundry. I'll give you something to do. What's wrong? This is what happens when you stay up all night playing video games. You get tired when you have to get up. Right? Huh? Hello? Oh. What are you doing, Baylee? What is that?
Baby.
Is that your baby? Hey, what does the cow say?
Look, Dada.
No, the duck says quack. What does the cow say?
Dada.
So we probably have a good, I'd say maybe like 2-3 inches, I guess, already. But I'm going to see if I can get my car out. I kind of doubt it. But I'm going to see if I can. Oh my gosh. Oh my lord. Okay, so my windshield is completely covered. So I'm going to see. Okay. Gonna be here for a while. I'm supposed to be to work at 4 this evening, and it's 10:23 right now. So I'm trying to see if I can get my car out of the driveway to go to work, because if not, I'm not gonna be able to go. But I don't see my windshield unthawing anytime soon. Update, there's a huge pile of snow literally blocking my view. So yeah, crazy. So I just scraped off my windshield and my windows in the front of my car. So I'm gonna see if I can make it down this driveway because it's still pouring the snow and it's like super wet snow. I don't like to drive in the snow anyway. I need to go to work. So I got my windshield clear. You can see how hard the snow is pouring. It's like still coming down. And I don't know exactly, I'll look on the Weather Channel and see how many inches we're supposed to get. But there's like literally no cars on the road except for like the big snow trucks and the plows and stuff. So I tried pulling out and there's literally like an inch of just ice under it. So yeah, and I kind of slid a little bit, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able, because like literally if I slide I'm gonna go straight over this hill right here. But I'm gonna see if I can kind of clear this off a little bit so I don't hit this wall over here. Okay. Yeah, so I don't think I'm gonna be going anywhere today. Hi, are you having some pancakes? So we went ahead and all got our baths and we're watching out the window because it is backed all the way down the 4-lane here. We still have power for now though. but we're thinking it's gonna go off shortly. What do you think, baby? What do you think? We're gonna try to get Baylee down for her nap here in a few minutes so that she can have her nap. Are you mean?
Me.
Mean, yeah. You're mean. And then maybe later we can go out and play in the snow. Make a snowman. She is wild. Wild as a buck. You're gonna fall on the floor. Say hi. So we still have power. Seth has been watching this gaming thing all day, and Baylee has pretty much been napping all day long. She just woke up a few minutes ago, and we're probably gonna watch a movie and have some supper. So we are making some muffins, some broccoli mac and cheese. We're making some fries, popcorn chicken, onion rings, and mini corn dogs. 2. Are you dancing? So, gotta spray the little things. I think I can just do it like that. We want them suckers to just slide right out. About half a cup of milk.
I'll put way too much water in this. I thought it'd be a lot more.
Oh.
This thing's still preheating.
Well, use one of the other boxes with it.
Can I just go and put this thing in it?
Yeah, if you want to. But listen, use one of the other boxes of mac and cheese with it.
What other boxes of mac and cheese?
We have other boxes of mac and cheese in there. Let's sit together.
Expand out and stuff. It should be good.
Your papa's not in the pantry. Okay, everything's in. The muffins are ready. So we have muffins, and this is what we're having for supper tonight. So we're all gonna open an early Christmas present tonight, so I'm gonna put this in this box for Baylee, and then I'm gonna put Seth's in here after Baylee opens hers. Open it! Open it, see what you got!
Mimi.
What is it?
Mimi.
What is it?
Mimi.
Oh my goodness! You like it?
Mimi.
Those are house shoes.
Mimi.
They go on your feet. Mommy, show you. Oh my goodness. Let mommy see your shoes. Come here. You like them? Come here. You look so pretty. So yours is next. I'll be right back. Ready?
Whoa. Whoa, Nelly.
You like it?
Oh my goodness, I love it. This is exactly why I was trying to look for that one day in Target. What the heck? How'd you find this? Where'd you get this from? I chose this exact thing.
Do you like it?
Wow, I love it. Holy
I figured
cow.
you would.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We got Baylee with all of her mini stuff. And then here is Seth. Oh wait, turn around this way. Let me look. Wow. It's really a mess in here.
Happy your present.
Okay. So here is what Seth got for me. So we're gonna try to hook this up here in a second. I've been wanting one of these and I'm so excited. Really loud too. Y'all download it. So we're setting up Alexa. What is this? What is this? Wait, what is this? Oh my gosh. It is almost 11 o'clock at night, Baylee. She'll be back. She's like so delirious. She like keeps walking and then she like trips over her own feet and like keeps falling. I'm like surprised that she's not like falling on her head. Baylee. Baylee, who is that? No, who's that right in front of you? Look, who's this? Who's this right here? Dada? Who's this? Who am I?
Dada.
No, this is Daddy. Who am I? Who am I? Huh? You were saying it earlier. You need a hint? Say Mama.
Nana.
No, not Nana, Mama.
Say Mama.
Mama.
Dada.
You're so sweet.
Well, guys, hang on for your life.
Bailey.
Whoa.
Bailey. Bailey, say happy. Say happy.
Bailey, what's a cow say?
Dada.
Wait, what's a cow say? There you go. What does a rooster say?
Dada.
What does a rooster say?
Dada.
Rooster don't say that.
No, no. No, no.
Happy
Oh,
Thanksgiving.
snap.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Hey.
Wait, was that you?
No. What if it was? Would you have felt bad? Okay. Bailey, wait. Hey, wait. Oh my God. She's obsessed. You just got tea all over me. Oh my goodness.
It says the issue will be resolved in the next 3 hours. Sorry, internet outage.
Was that like just now?
I don't know. Just what this is.
Yeah, so we have not had we have not had internet all day today. Oh my God, Bailey.
This is all it takes. Follow me.
You don't need any more tea.
Oh.
Anyway, so we have not had internet all day today. Our day has been so unproductive. We've literally done nothing all day. And we've been snowed in. Bailey did have a really good nap though. See, baby, you're getting too big of drinks. No, no. Bailey. Bailey. Mommy, have it. So I never officially done an outro to this vlog, so I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this vlog, hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring.